Introducing the CarlinKit S2 CarPlay AI Box, the smart, cost-effective upgrade for your car's infotainment system. Powered by Android 13 and a genuine Qualcomm 8-core processor, this sleek device transforms your Wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a wireless, multifunctional experience without modifying your original car audio. Stream videos on YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, or download your favorite apps from the Google Play Store. Want offline content? Just insert a TF card up to 512 gigabytes and enjoy music and movies without Wi-Fi or hotspot. With 4 GB RAM and 64 or 128 GB storage, the CarlinKit S2 delivers smooth performance, fast app loading, and a user-friendly interface. Enjoy split-screen functionality, allowing you to watch videos while navigating or use music and maps at the same time. Equipped with built-in GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou, you'll enjoy accurate positioning on the road. It also supports SIM card networking and photo online upgrades for the latest features anytime. No disassembly, no hassle, just plug it in and your car becomes smarter in seconds. The CarlinKit S2, elevate your drive effortlessly.